piggybacking off our last video of no need to guess. So we were at this resistance level of the moving averages and we were waiting to see. We had the playbook set up. We had a bullish structure, a bullish plan and a bearish plan. I'll remind you really quick. Here was the bearish plan. The bears would have resistance at the moving average. They would try to take it down, and this is the edge that you have by having the algorithms. Look at that magenta algorithm. That's your defensive line. That is what we were waiting for, to get to, retest, and to see if it was going to breach it for a downside move. This is why it's important not to guess. And when you don't guess, you have the ability to be calm and be patient and let the trades come to you, and it makes trading so much easier. That was the bearish plan. I'll refresh. The bullish plan was the cup had closed. We're looking for a breach above the moving averages and then retest and then continue higher. Instead, what happened, and this is why you have to be very careful taking a trades. If you would have taken a call at this level here because you think prices are going to continue to go up, if you would have taken a call just guessing that it's going to continue to go up, there's no way your stop loss would be able to withstand this 2-point drawdown. Price started moving down. You start preparing for a bullish trade, and look at how beautiful magenta respected the support level. The bulls defended this level, and as soon as they did, you see they started making a strong move with volume. That shows intention. The volume is very important down here. It shows intention. You have large green candles, you have momentum, and with this momentum, these large green candles, large volume, this is a good indicator that momentum is building to breach through the pink algorithm and the moving averages. So you could take your trade anywhere from here, or wait till the pink algorithm breaks, or wait till the moving averages break and retrace and take it there. So there's a million ways to trade. People have different risk tolerances. A riskier trader or a more experienced trader who already sees the momentum may take the trade here. A conservative trader may need to wait. They may need to wait to see that the price is going above the moving averages and then come back for a retest to confirm that the moving averages are going to act as support. So this is the awesome thing about trading, is there's a million ways to trade, and there's a lot of different traders. There's aggressive traders and there's conservative traders. So there's entries for each type of personality of trader. You just have to find out what personality you are, and then you prepare for your trade.